Hello everyone. Today I want to try to help you out if you need to do a fuel pressure test on an 05 Caravan. I did a lot of researching on the internet. Tough to find anything on how to get it done, but I had success with this Betooll tester. So I bought this on Amazon. Hopefully I'm pronouncing it correctly, but it's Betooll ProFuel Injection Pressure Tester Kit. 0 to 140 psi. Cost me $68, I believe. And here is the, if you want to maybe get more information, barcode number. But I think it retails for $90 some. And I got this one for $68. So anyway, this did work, and I'm going to show you how I did it. Couple things, so we'll start over here. Right here is my fuel line I'm going to disconnect. And before you disconnect that, it's smart to pull the fuel pump relay. Start your car up. Let the engine just die because you'll run out of fuel without the fuel pump relay in there, and then disconnect this. I already had done that. So I'm going to pull this line off, and then I'm going to show you where that relay is. And to pull this off, I'm just going to push this black clip in. I'm going to push in, push the black clip in that way, and pull. Okay, so that's off again. Pushing this in, pulling back. Make sure you release your fuel pressure before you do that. So let's go and show you where the pump is, or the relay is, I'm sorry. Here is that relay you're going to pull. And if you're not sure, on the inside cover, you'll see that 4 relays in a row, and it's the one that's closer to the middle. Alright, so here is the inside of the kit. What we're going to use is this adapter and our gauge. What I want to do is I'll start by connecting this fitting into the coupler, snapped in. It's a little tricky to wiggle this line around, but you can do it. Now we're going to take this end, slide it on, and listen for a click. This end we're going to connect to our QD. That's on. Okay, so now what I'm going to do is I'll go turn the key on to accessory position. My son Drew is going to stay focused here. You'll see there's no leak here, here, or here, and you should see 58 psi. Then I'll start it, and you'll see the same thing. The pressure will stay at 58 psi with no leaks. So just kind of focusing on that, Drew, while I go ahead and turn the key on. Got pressure, no leaks. I'll go ahead and start it. Switch your fingers, Drew. I'm going to do a little rev just to show you the pump pressure. Okay, thanks, Drew. And then come on back up here. And for simplicity's sake, I did pull the air cleaner box out and the throttle body intake hose off. It's right here. Got that stuff out of the way so you could have a good view of what was going on. And then to get the pressure off, keep a gas can handy. What you're going to do is just take this hose, put it back in the end of your gas can, and then right here we're going to push. See, my pressure's dropping. I'm not worried about that at this moment, although that should be holding. But anyway, I'm going to show you how to drain the fuel pressure. You're just going to push this button in and the fuel pressure will drop. And it went down this hose into my gas can. Alright, I hope that helped you out. Again, not a lot of information out there, so for $70, this work got me the information I need. Hope it helps you. Please like and subscribe these videos. I'll continue to do them, try to help everybody out. Thanks to my son Drew for helping me get this video done. You guys have a great day.